What's up? If you found this channel, you probably are looking to start trading, but there's a lot of things to learn, right? Maybe you're overwhelmed, you don't know where to start from. But for today's video, I'm going to show you how to use TradingView, which is the way how to learn and study the chart patterns step by step for beginners. And who is this video for? So if you have just literally zero trading experience, you don't know where to start, you haven't seen a stock pattern before, you haven't seen anything, I'm literally going to go through everything step by step, piece by piece. So you do not want to miss any portion of this video, because after this video, you're literally going to be able to know how to use TradingView step by step, how to apply it for yourself. And let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, you do not have to pay for anything. Tap right here and create a free trading account on TradingView.com. Create your account, it's brand new for free. And just go ahead and create a basic account. Don't worry about paying for anything until you know what you're doing. After you have your account created, you're going to now see Launch Super Chart. So go ahead and click this right here. Now here on TradingView, what is the first thing that you want to understand and realize as a brand new trader? Well, what do these lines even mean here on my screen? So this right here is candlesticks. And what really even is TradingView? So this is the application where you can actually learn technical analysis, which is to study our chart patterns. So I'm going to be showing you today some very big beginner and basic principles to begin to do. And you want to do these literally every single day if you do want to make it as a full-time trader. All right, so step one, what kind of are candlesticks? So candlesticks is the language of the stock market. So a green one represents buyers and price. Red one is the sellers are in price, right? So I explained to you guys what candlesticks are, but let's actually go into deep detail of exactly what I'm looking at when I'm looking at a candlestick. So as I mentioned, the green one is going to be buyers are here in price, and the red one are the sellers are here in price, right? Now, this right here is where we open up here in price. Let's say right here is a 5-minute candlestick, right? So we open up right here and we close right here. But at some portion of time, we're way up here in price. But we ended up closing down here in price, so we leave behind what we call is a wick in the stock market world. Now, in a bearish scenario, we open up right here. Let's say right here is a 5-minute candle. We open up right here, we close right here. But let's say at minute 3 out of 5, we were down here in price. But when 5 minutes closed, we closed right here. So again, we're leaving behind a wick here in price, and we're actually able to identify where a stock was once at in the market before we even trade for the day. If I'm a beginner here on TradingView, what are the first things I should be doing? So I'll write this down. The first thing you should do on TradingView, you're going to do this literally, if you're watching this video, do this right now. Like go open TradingView and literally do this right now. So go to the bottom right corner where it says RTH and go ahead and click that. And then now change that over to the extended trading hours. Now that's going to open up this orange and blue spot right here, and which is very, very important. So right here in orange, this area right here is called my pre-market. And this is the area before the market opens up. And here is after hours. All right. So every single day, I'm going to give you some free game right now. Right. I'm going to give you some free game. Write this down. Every single day before the market opens, go to your top companies. And we're going to, talk about how to actually create your watch list as well. But go to your top companies. I'm going to focus on SPY and find your pre-market highs and your pre-market lows. Now, Ryan, how in the world do I find a pre-market high and pre-market low? So I just added my ETH to my chart. So now I added a little bit more seasoning, right? I put a little bit of salt and pepper on my chart. Well, check it out. This right here is my pre-market area, right? So you want to find the lowest candlestick here in pre-market, which is sitting right here. And then mark it at the body of the candlestick like this. And on a MacBook, press Options plus H. And on a Windows computer, press Alt plus H. That will draw a line horizontally. You can even edit the line to make it a flat line, make it a straight line, however you want to do it. So this right here is characterized here as my pre-market low. So write this down. Every single day, you draw your pre-market lows. And also up here is the highest point of my pre-market. Also mark your pre-market highs that are sitting right here. And again, you want to do this every single day. And remember who told you the free game? Your boy Ryan. All right, pre-market highs up here. So now, what is the significance of these lines, and like how can I actually use them to make a profit? It's probably what you're wondering, right? Well, if you notice in the stock market world, there's only 2 ways to make money. What did I say? You have calls and you have puts, right? So let's say we're in a bullish market, and a bullish market means that we're going to the upside. So let's say we're going to the upside, right? Or we're dropping right here in the market right down to my pre-market lows. You notice that we're actually bouncing here off my pre-market low, right? So this is an area where typically buyers step in the price. So write this down. You need to be writing down significant areas of price and important key levels every single day whenever you're charting. So a pre-market low is a significant area I will always mark down. As you can see, we did bounce right here, But the best way to make money as a trader, please write this down, is on the retest to a significant area in price. Now, what does that mean? So we bounce right here at my pre-market lows, right? And people who are new traders, people who are beginners, right? And it's okay. They probably would buy stocks and buy calls up here, but that's not how the stock market works. The market loves to buy first, create a retest, and right here in your retest is where you want to actually buy into your company. So as you see right here, we pull back right there. Then we have a strong move. Now right to the upside. So I just taught you one free strategy right there. Go ahead and hit the like button. That's just to give y'all some free game. I mean, imagine like how much game you're gonna have on this channel. Like there's gonna be a lot of things that are complex from trading, but on this channel right here, we're gonna make things very simplified. I have a ton of videos for you so you can keep on watching and increasing your game into trading. But when looking at the actual charts, right, and believing that you want to start to learn how price does work, there's only two different forms of technical analysis that you want to understand. It's market structure and it's support and resistance. So support and resistance is the foundation of a beginner's trading career. So the support is the floor in the stock market, right? And the resistance is the ceiling. So kind of think about it like this, right? If we go up here in price, we drop, we bounce right here, go up right here, and then right here, you see how we're going to be dropping here again, right? Now, trading is a game of probability. So if we bounce right here in price and also right here, what do you believe will happen the third time that we have a retest right here to my level of support? We're going to be bouncing here once again, right? So this is exactly in the market where you want to go ahead and buy calls. So there's only two different forms of making money. So calls make money as companies go up in price, and puts make money as companies go down in price. So yes, you can make money regardless if we're in a bearish market or even in a bullish market, and we're going to be covering everything and how it's possible on this channel for free. So make sure you're subscribing below so you can get all this game. I mean, I make things very practical so you're able to learn as a beginner. And if you watch my videos, you can see to learn step by step. So definitely stay tuned. And now, why is support and resistance so important? So these two things are actually interchangeable, right? So if I bounce right here at my support and break through my level here of resistance, right? Now we can use this prior level of resistance right here as a next level here of support. We take it down to the upside, right? So these two things here are interchangeable. The next thing that you want to understand, guys, is how to actually create a stock market watch list. So what are the top companies that I watch every single day? So I'm gonna give you guys the free game right now. So Tesla is probably my favorite company to trade right now. So if I want to go ahead and add it to my watch list, go ahead and click on this button right here on the right side, and then go over to press add symbol over to your watch list. There's a few other companies right now, but if you're a beginner, guys, please write this down. Focus on one or two companies and expand as time goes on. Your best bet right now is to focus on SPY, focus on Tesla, focus on Apple. Let's just do 3 companies and we'll build from there, all right? Now, after you have these companies on your screen on TradingView, you're probably wondering, what's everything else I'm seeing on the screen? All these numbers and things, right? Let's talk about it, right? So up here, this is my different time frames, right? So right here is my 5-minute time frame. Here's a 3-minute time frame. You can have a 15-minute time frame. So what does it mean to have different time frames? So that means that each candlestick right here currently is showing me 15 minutes of time. Now, if you're looking to trade right now, it's probably because you have a job right now or a busy business. You have a pretty busy schedule. I'll tell you right now, you can make your full-time income wage in a matter of 5, 10, 15 minutes or less than an hour, less than even 30 minutes off of a TradingView chart. So a small 1, 2, 3 candles on a 5-minute chart is 15 minutes of time. This movement right here can capture you by 30% in the stock market world. So if you put $1,000 on a trade, and it brings you 30%, that's giving you a profit of $300 in a matter of 15 minutes. Now, that might sound small to some people, but for others, $300 is a full day at work. So if you want to start trading right now, understand that my most popular time frame that I do use right now typically is the 5-minute time frame or the 3-minute time frame. But however, write this down, and you will see this on my next video that I'm going to show you on my channel. But when understanding how the market's moving, you want to be looking at the market from a high time frame perspective. Why is that? If you know how the market is moving on a high time frame, like the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, right, the daily time frame, it makes it much more easier to take trades on a 5-minute time frame, a 3-minute time frame, because you know what the market is doing on a bigger picture. So coming down here into a smaller picture, you're able to understand how to take action in the stock market. All right, so now you have different tools. Let's talk about the tools to use. This right here is my favorite tool called the rectangular tool. I could draw my fair value gaps with it. We cover that into my mentorship program. I can cover areas of liquidity with this tool. You know, I could draw key areas in my chart that you're actually able to locate and use on your own time. We have the tool here, Fibonacci. This is an amazing tool that we're going to also do a free video on and the feature on, but tool Fibonacci, you can actually draw and find the areas in the market which you can use as balances of liquidity. Now you're probably wondering, Ryan, you lost me. What is liquidity, right? Don't worry. We have a lot of videos to cover on this channel. I'm gonna give you guys today the TradingView basics so you're able to learn, execute, and put things into motion. Now let's go ahead and talk about how, if I'm working a full-time job right now, how can I use TradingView to make passive income? Let's talk about how to use your alerts in real time. So if you go right here into your TradingView, if you go ahead and right click your mouse, you're actually able to see that you can add an alert right here on the screen. So once the market taps this area right here, for example, right, you can actually edit this alert button and say, hey, we're sitting right here in the market, right? I'm sitting here at my pre-market low. So once the market taps this area right here, you will literally get a text to your phone that, hey, we're tapping the key area right here and it's time to go ahead and investigate the market. Because you always want to investigate before you invest, right? So people are trading right now with no knowledge. You want to investigate before you invest. So that's why I recommend you right now, the beginner watching this video, I focus on you to focus on paper trading. Now, what is paper trading? There's only two different things that you need right now as a brand new trader. An app to trade on, and charting tools. Right now, we just cover how to use TradingView step by step. I have a whole video as well how to use Webull step by step also as well. Also covered how to use the paper trading features. And you want to watch that full video so you know how to approach the stock market. I would recommend you to practice trade for about a week to 2 weeks, and find a proven strategy that works for you. Find a mentor, someone you trust, someone that can give you good information about trading. And after you are able to find success with the fake money, then go into the market with real money. I recommend $1,000 or $2 to get started. $500 is the bare minimum, and from there begin to keep building your trading career and your overall knowledge. Now, in today's video, to do a quick little rain check, we kind of just covered how to use TradingView. We covered a very basic trading strategy, the pre-market highs, pre-market lows. Side note, do this every single day. All right. Also, you want to always mark your previous day highs, right? This is my previous high of the day. This is my previous low of the day, right? And you can actually change your lines to a different shaded color so you know which line is the previous day high of the day and what's the previous day low of the day, right? So I gave you guys a free game on basic strategies to cover on TradingView, how to use a platform, how to create a watch list, how to create alerts, which indicators I personally recommend you to use. Don't use too many indicators, right? All these traders online, guys, I'm gonna say right now, they use a bunch of indicators. Their screen on TradingView, guys, is looking like this. It's looking crazy, right? Okay, don't do that. You'll be so confused. It won't even be fun, right? Keep your trading career very, very simplified and keep things very simplistic. You make a lot more money as a brand new trader. So the last thing that I'm going to do before we end today's class, I'm going to tell you guys right now, the most important thing to learn as a trader is market structure. This is how you're able to understand how the market is moving on a big time frame and how to actually understand how the market is able to work. So I want you to actually watch my next video right here. Let's cover everything about market structure. And if today is one of your first times watching trading videos and trading education, this journey is a very fruitful journey. If you invest into your trading career, I mean knowledge, time, and resources, you can be making 5, 10, 15, 20K plus a month. My students are doing amazing inside of my program. I have more information about that program below into the description. But if you're a brand new trader, continue to educate yourself, put game into your mindset, and continue to spend time on this channel, because I'm going to be giving us a lot of free game. So I wish I had this game years ago when I started, but I did not have it, right? So I look forward to seeing you guys watching this video right here.